So now we are a room called Nitai in Soneka, which is quite different than the room we're staying in called Nupu. They're showing us this because there's no other guests. Here? あ、このへ、この水
風呂です。で、なのでここに実はテントサウナを建てる。
テントサウナ。へえ。
なのでそれ用の水風呂になってます。
これ温泉じゃないよね。水風呂。
これは水風呂です。そっちが温泉になるんですけど、ちょっと
ああ、もちろん。
止めちゃってるんですけど。
あれみたいね。テルマエローマエのヘイヘイホーってお風呂入った人たち。So anyway, so here this is a bath. Not onsen. The onsen is here. Again, there's no guests here. We're not staying here, so they're just showing it to us. But this is where they would fill the onsen. あ、なんかトリーテラスみたいなのありますね。This is quite different than the room we're in. It's called Nitai. ね。で、これも右と左に分かれてるんですか？じゃあちょっとこっちリビングの方から。いやいや、いやどういう雰囲気かちょっとこう、かなり違うね、ヌプとは。
入れてるものはもちろん同じような感じなんですけども、やっぱりちょっとこう、作りをちょっと変えてるような。
で、ここの部屋の人たちは食事を。
そうですね、ここで例えばその火を焚いて、少しお肉を焼かせていただいたりとかっていう感じで我々もちょっと使わせていただいてます。
じゃあうちのそのヌプの部屋の方がそういうところは広いですよね。
そうですね。10名ぐらいは使っていただけるようなスペースに。
So in Nitai, this is where the cook comes and cooks, but it's a smaller place than in Nupu. ね。で、you come here and thenこれが this is the first bathroom toilet, and then you have storage. あ、これが冷蔵庫。冷蔵庫。洗濯機もあるんですか？おお、and they have a washing machine too.
すいません、ちょっと
いやいや、便利ね。やっぱり長く泊まれる人もいるのかな？
そうですね。
That's for extended stays. A washing machine is useful. So this is a living area. So there's 4 rooms here. This is the second of 2 that I'm showing you. Fireplace. And we'll have another view this way. It's the dining table. なんかログハウスみたいな感じね。こっちの方が。This is a little more どっちかって言えば rustic ね、こっちの方が。で、これをAnd then so over here I showed you earlier is the onsen bath. And then over here is the terrace. It's kind of a treehouse style. And you can kind of have a more of a view down into the farm, adjacent farm. で、ここの農園って何をここ作られてるんですか？
向こうですかね。はい、向こうが今じゃがいもを育てている農園さんみたいです。
So they're making potatoes there. そっか。
ニタイはアイヌ語だと森という意味。
Nitai means, she says, Miss Masuda says it means forest in Ainu language in Hokkaido. そっか。僕はヌプの方がいいな。どっちかっていうと、まあ好みだと思うけれど。So each of the rooms have the same nightly rate. So let's go over and check out the other side. やっぱりヌプのダイニングエリアの方がいいね。Okay, and then we'll come this way, and this is the living quarters, or the sleeping quarters, I should say. Again, entrance, and then this This is one of the bedrooms. The two beds. And then the second toilet. So there's a toilet on each side, both in the living room as well as in the sleeping area. And then this is the wash basin, and この内風呂も温泉なんですよね。So then in the bath, it's not filled. When the guests are here, they will fill it. Well, it's being filled now. I don't know why. We're the only ones here. But this is it's a rock bath. And then this is the shower. そうね、時々流しとかないといけないんですよね。This is a maintenance thing. They have it, the water, release it from time to time. And then let's go here. Here's the master bedroom. And you have a view outside. Okay. Soka. Okay, so this is Nitai. And so that's everything here at Soneka.